Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Teufel Real headphones and I'm going to tell you how you can easily charge your headphones using your phone. At first you have to have a phone that supports the reverse charging. For me it is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 Pro. You can check if your phone does support it. Most phones that support it just have the USB Type-C port. So, at first we have to prepare ourselves a USB Type-C to C cable, or the cable that fits into our phone, and at first we have to plug the cable into our phone, then into our headphones. And now our headphones, as you can see, are being charged. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.